Having the best trading tools is important to a professional Forex and crypto trader. Maverick Currencies believes TradingView is one of the best tools for our traders. Since our traders trade our capital and keep 70 to 80% of profits, it's essential to have the best trading tools, which is why we substantially train all our traders to use TradingView to maximize their profits. We're happy to share our expertise with the public to make you a better Forex or crypto trader. If you're ready to be a professional Forex and crypto trader, click on the apply link in the video description. Now on to our tutorial. In today's TradingView tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at the different levels of account membership that TradingView offers. Now, of course, TradingView does offer a free tier version. However, that version is a little bit limited. If you need multiple indicators on your charts, or if you want to look at custom time frames, or if you just don't want to be bothered with pop-up ads, then a Pro or Pro Plus or even a premium version of TradingView might just make the most sense for you. Now, I've been a paid TradingView subscriber pretty much ever since they offered a paid product, and I played around with all the various different tiers, and I'm going to tell you which ones I think work best for which specific type of trader. So we're going to start from the Pro tier, which is the lowest paid version. And coincidentally, I think it's the version that's right for about 99% of traders. All right, so on the Pro version, you get multiple indicators per chart, up to 5. You get 20 charts in one layout. You get 20 active price alerts. You can have 20 active technical alerts on indicators, strategies, or drawings. You don't have ads. You have volume profile indicators, multiple watch lists, custom time intervals, and you can use the bar replay feature on intraday data. So what I love about that is that that gets you pretty much everything that you need. If you do want to make the jump to Pro Plus, I would say the most important feature there is having more alerts. So 20 alerts is perfectly fine. That's more alerts than I typically use. However, if you're trading multiple markets and you really want to set a number of alerts everywhere, then going up to Pro Plus is going to give you up to 100 active price alerts. And I'd say for most traders, that and the fact that you can get 10 indicators per chart seems to be the most important features. You can also add indicators on indicators. So for example, if you have the relative strength index on your price chart, you could add a moving average on top of the RSI. So that would be an example of an indicator on an indicator. It also gives you the ability to have intraday data for what TradingView calls exotic charts, which tend to be either very low volume, low liquidity, small market cap kinds of markets. And then finally, there is the premium tier. So that is the tier that I use. Admittedly, it is overkill, but it is pretty cool because you get substantially more. You get everything you get in Pro and Pro Plus, but just more. So for example, you can have 25 indicators per chart, you can have 400 active price alerts, and so on and so forth. The other cool thing about the premium tier is that you can publish invite-only indicators. So if you're someone that's coding your own indicators, you're working with someone that is, and you want to sell those indicators eventually to other TradingView subscribers, you would want to look into a premium tier subscription. And then down here we have the ultimate, which is really for professional subscribers. This is something new. When I was digging through and researching the various tiers for this tutorial video, I wasn't even aware that they had this ultimate tier. I mean, that is definitely overkill. $500 a month is pretty steep. So if you're really curious, you can click on this little gray question mark next to where it says ultimate on the TradingView website, and it's going to give you a full breakdown of that ultimate plan. I suspect that that is only really the right subscription for such a small percentage of TradingView users. Like I said, I think 95%, maybe more of people fall comfortably into either the Pro or Pro Plus. Now with TradingView, you do have the option to either pay a monthly fee or an annual fee. You do have some savings on the annual fee side. However, here's a pro tip. I strongly recommend, if you can, to pay for a paid version of TradingView at their annual Black Friday or Cyber Monday sales. The savings on those sales are really, really good. It does vary from year to year, but that is the best sale that TradingView offers all year round. So if you can, I would wait till Black Friday or Cyber Monday. But here's the thing, if you pay for something now monthly, I would recommend taking advantage of the annual savings on Black Friday or Cyber Monday, right? So if you really wanted to get started with TradingView right now, that would be my recommendation. Do the 30-day free trial. That'll get you to mid to late September, and then pay monthly up until Black Friday or Cyber Monday, and then take advantage of that awesome sale that they put on. All right, traders, that's the video. Hopefully this helped you learn a little bit more about the different paid versions that TradingView offers, and hopefully it will help you decide which version is right for you. Thanks, traders. See you in the next video.